TRIZ means the theory of inventive problem solving. It provides problem definition and solution tools to help your staff innovate regardless of their status. There are 3 principles of TRIZ. 1. There are ideal solutions to complex problems. 2. There is some contradiction in a problem that needs to be surfaced. And 3. There are 40 principles based on experience that can help resolve these contradictions. These TRIZ cards have been designed specifically for service sector innovation. The cards have been based on insight and thinking from academics and practitioners in TRIZ. We have real-life examples of innovation in these cards. Along with the 40 innovation cards, we have 5 service-type cards to best target the area of innovation. These are 1. Self-service, asking the customers to take on the role of the producer. 2. Around service, manipulating tangible elements of the service. 3. Bundle service, combining multiple services into a single package. And 4. Direct service, delivering to the customer location. And last but not least, pre-service, streamlining the activation of the service. Let's take an example from experience. A cafe serves great coffee, but queues are long during lunchtime. People come for nourishment and thereafter a coffee for their pick-me-up. After 2 p.m. though, it starts getting quieter. The cafe is also a mini-hub for nearby startup companies who come to use the free Wi-Fi and a base for meetings. The coffee shop needs to manage capacity in a way to fulfill its range of customers. A problem here is clearly one of around service, which takes us to the innovation card principle 19. Periodic action. Break a continuous process to periodic actions or increase the frequency of periodic events. From this, we can generate new ideas. For example, during certain hours, such as between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock, the cafe can provide a refill coffee at no charge. This could result in moving some demand in the quiet period to after lunch, and in particular attracting startups who might buy snacks and cakes, generating additional value for the cafe. Want innovative ideas from everyone in your organization? These TRIZ cards will be your catalyst.